really crack up if you saw my setup right now. Whoa, little sexy! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this ponytail. So it definitely was a struggle. I am home for the holidays right now, and I literally forgot like everything. So it was a struggle to do this. Even my setup is a struggle. Like, look at my shadow. I'm literally using the light on my phone. It's so ghetto, but you know, we get it done. So before we get started, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe down below and click that bell notification symbol, because when I tell you YouTube is out here doing something with these views, sis, it just don't add up. It don't. So definitely make sure you click to get notified all the time when I upload, so that you can be the first one. Like, you need to be first to see the videos because you're special. Okay, without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this struggle hairstyle, I'm literally still in my pajamas. Y'all, I got this shirt from the Goodwill. But anyway, look at the shadow on the wall. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, ooh, then just keep on watching.
Who can love you like me? And I still feel like you just don't get it. Friends always talking down on me, you do not have to listen. Cause you told me yourself I'm the definition of different. So how could you take some advice about me and you from a chick with no nigga all on my Twitter? Like, you peep that she think you a fool. Screenshots, click, send it through. Well, damn, shorty, you can see that's a fan, shorty. Don't forget I'm the man, shorty. I'm overridden, tell your friend to be seated. There's something she don't understand, shorty. Listen, it may seem like I don't got enough time for you. You be thinking I'm ignoring you, but I ain't never ignoring you. You think I'm out here giving your time to somebody else. I'm really just focused on myself. I only want you, baby. There's so many things that I love doing to your body. If not with me, then I can't see you with nobody. No. Cause I don't want nobody but you. I don't need nobody, babe. I want your mind and body, babe. Leave me in this life, I don't want nobody but you. Nobody.
That was a struggle. Make sure if you do this that you definitely have a crochet hook, because that bobby pin, I'm literally sweating.
What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me on delivered. It's beneficial that I'm beneficial for you, babe, but you acting like you don't remember. Whole time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas, sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love. Cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe. Meet me in this lobby, baby. She say I don't want nobody either, but for me you gotta treat me like somebody's baby. I need your love and I need some affection. You gon' have to make some.
Guys, so that is gonna conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and please, we even got these super old heaters. Like, did you hear that? That's the kind of heater I got. So anyway, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with this struggle video. Like, literally, I have my camera on one pillow, two pillows, a tissue box, and then, like I showed you guys, I have this freaking light down here. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.